everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Dawn is in the kitchen to do feta cheese creamy eggs. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, hit that notification bell. So when D Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And to all my YouTubers, subscribers, supporter, and follower, a big warm welcome to you all. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here on YouTube. So manners and respect to you all. Let's get started. 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, a pinch of white pepper, a pinch of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cream, feta cheese, and 3 leaf, mint leaf. You're gonna put the eggs in the skillet, not the eggs, sorry, the butter, and you're gonna let this melt it. And then we combining the cream in the egg, Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper, the mint already rinsed, so I'm cutting on it. Remove the stem. Mint smells so good. The aroma is in the air. We're gonna add the mint in the egg. See, I leave back 1 leaf. So now we're just gonna combine the eggs in. Now you're gonna add the feta cheese in. And that's 4 ounces. And you're just gonna turn the stove off because you just want the cheese just to melt in it. So the heat from the egg will just melt the cheese. So just enough for the feta cheese to melt in the eggs. Beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed. Please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and hit that notification bell. Leave a comment and you hit that bell so when I'm doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So now, my beautiful friends, our delicious feta cheese creamy eggs is now ready for eating. And on the side there's some crackers and some mandarin oranges. Please to give it a try, guys. And I love you all. Peace and love. Please take care, and I see you on the next one. D Don. Say peace. D Don, love you all. Bye for now.